job. So A is for? Teach them.
B is for ball. C is for cat.
Okay, next.
D is for dog. But D is for dog. E is for elephant. But F is for rabbit.
Okay, what's next?
The G.
Yung bat pa eh, no?
The G is for gasp.
Gasp. Okay.
H is for
Oh, gasp. Okay. What's next to G?
I.
No.
No.
G.
G.
What's next to G?
H.
Okay.
I. J. K. L. M. N. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z.
Okay, but H is for? You don't have example for H yet.
H is for.
Go. Go on, continue. H is for. Okay, it's okay. I is for.
I.
Is for.
For eagle.
Okay.
Sorry.
And then, what's next to I?
J.
Okay, J is for.
Jump.
Jump, okay.
K is for kangaroo.
Then,
L is for lemon.
okay, next.
But it just.
What's next to L?
Where's my sunglasses?
What?
Where's my sunglasses?
I don't know. Oh, I think this one. Oh, you need that while teaching?
No. Upside down.
Act like I can't. Okay.
A, B, C.
Wala na. Nagsalamin eh. Okay, again. How about counting? Can you...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Up to
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Oh, good job. Good wake up there. Tell them not to shout and cry and no screaming and no fighting. Can you tell them? Ponies.
But no fighting. But no fighting.
You have to share your...
Toys.
Yes, and you have to take...
I said borrow, please.
Good job. And you have to take turns so you will not fight.
You go to the playground.
Oh,
Pick up.
what time is it?
Pick up. I have my having glasses.
Oh, you're having class.
Rainbow.
Can you sing again the I'm Trading My Sorrow? Sabi niya, Mm.
Out for these days.
Hmm?
Look out for these days.
Okay. Can you sing Celebrate Jesus Celebrate?
Well, some stop yet.
The teacher should not get mad all the time. Okay? Just teach the ponies. Yeah, ponies.